Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Okay, that's not entirely true, but for ages, the penny test has been a go-to measurement for determining if rubber tires have worn down too far. Except the penny test isn't as accurate as it once was. In fact, some experts now recommend against using the penny test. 27 March 2017.
Take our lead.
Tires age whether they are driven on or not. Be sure to check tires on recreation vehicles, trailers, collector cars, community vehicles and 15-passenger vans, too. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recommends checking your vehicle's tires at least once a month.
Take our lead.
The quarter test. Insert a quarter into the tire tread upside down, with Washington's head going in first. If the top of George's head is covered by the tread, your tires are okay. Do this test at multiple points around each tire. If the top of his head is visible at any point around the tire, you need new tires.
Take our lead.
2:30 seconds. The U.S. Department of Transportation recommends replacing tires when they reach 2:30 seconds, and many states legally require tires to be replaced at this depth. The idea of the penny test is to check whether you've hit the 2:30 seconds threshold. Here's how it works: place a penny between the tread ribs on your tire.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.